Unraveling the Mystery. No skin off my back. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're going to unpack a very interesting phrase, no skin off my back. This expression might sound a bit odd at first, but it's widely used in everyday English conversations. Our goal today is to understand its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your own conversations. So, let's get started. At its core, no skin off my back is a colloquial expression used to indicate that a situation or an action does not cause one any inconvenience, trouble, or harm. Essentially, if someone says this, they mean that they are not bothered or affected negatively by what is happening or what might happen. It's a way of expressing indifference to the outcome of a situation. The origins of no skin off my back are a bit murky, as with many idiomatic expressions. However, it's believed to be derived from the notion that losing skin, quite literally, would be painful and undesirable. So, saying that something is no skin off my back implies that the speaker does not suffer any pain or loss from the situation. It's a vivid way to say, it doesn't hurt me at all. To help you understand how to use no skin off my back in real-life conversations, let's look at a few examples. 1. When someone decides not to take your advice, if you don't want to follow my suggestion, it's no skin off my back. It's your choice. 2. Discussing potential outcomes. Whether they choose to go ahead with the project or not, it's no skin off my back. I'm fine either way. 3. Responding to potential inconveniences. If you need to reschedule our meeting to another day, it's no skin off my back. Just let me know what works best for you. It's worth noting that there are variations of this expression, such as, no skin off my nose, or, it doesn't bother me. While these phrases might differ slightly in wording, their meanings are closely related, all conveying a sense of indifference or lack of negative impact on the speaker. And there you have it, folks. The phrase, no skin off my back, is a colorful way to express that you're not bothered by or negatively affected by a situation. It's a handy expression to have in your English language toolkit, especially when you want to convey indifference in a vivid and idiomatic way. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with discovery. Keep exploring, and never hesitate to use new expressions you learn. Happy speaking!